Alright, I'm going to check one of my beehives today. I got 2 beehives right here at my house. I'm going to give them a little smoke and let them know I'm here. I just checked my other one, and both of these were new hives today. New hives this year. And the one I checked just a minute ago didn't have much honey in it. I'm gonna actually start feeding it shortly. I just put these boxes on. They were wet honey supers from another hive that I had extracted, and I put these on and let these bees rob them out, and they're putting honey here and there in them. There you can see it's a nice, pretty good frame of honey. It's all the way across. They hadn't capped it. It's late in this year. It's August the 3rd. They're probably eating this, starting to eat it. I'll go down below and see what's further down in the hive. Looks like this bottom super might have a little bit in it. Got a little weight to it. There's not much honey in it at all. I didn't expect it to. But this super right here's got a decent amount of honey in it. For a new hive, I made these hives this year. They were 2 frame nukes I started. Actually, it was 1 frame nuke. And yeah, it looks like they're eating. They've made this, they put this honey in, and they're starting to eat right here. You can see how in the middle it's done gone, but you got honey up there. Right there you don't, and down there you do. So this was a swarm I caught this year, and I split it. It's good, but it was a really strong swarm. I assumed it was from a wild hive in a tree around here, but then I discovered some neighbors up the road had some hives, so it could have come from one of their hives, but it turned out to be a really good hive. I took the original swarm over to my dad's, and that hive has we made it a double-story hive, and it's got about 4 supers of honey on it. Now it's got some weight to it. That's a decent amount of honey, man. I'm telling you, this was a jam up hive to do this. I took 2 frames from that original swarm that I caught this year, and I was gonna make 2 1-frame nukes. I wound up putting the 2 frames together in this box, and it has done this in 1 year. It's turned into a real nice hive. Good sheet of brood. That whole frame is solid brood. Don't see the queen. Normally the queen is gonna be where you see a lot of eggs and larvae. Don't see any beetles. I'll try this frame. Normally she'll lay brood from the center and go to the outsides of the box. Got some right there, some eggs just now starting to turn into larva. There she is. Looks like a Russian queen. She's real dark. I'm gonna have to pick the camera up, zoom in on her. Where'd she go now? There she is, up here somewhere. Gotta find her in the camera. There she is right there. Where'd she go again? Oh, there she is right there. Let's see. Under. There she is. You can, I don't know if you can see, I need somebody else here holding this stuff, but inside these cells is kind of glossy. Can't get it to focus. Okay, where it's glossy, there's larvae in there. It was eggs and it's turned into larvae.